playing this little tug of war, who in charge, but no one's calling anybody.
I'm like, I just work here.
No, not you.
I don't even know.
I know.
I don't know what's going on. You have a chief, you have another.
Yeah.
The super mayor was caught on body camera trying to stop her posters from being removed by the village. And we also get to see the super mayor's new police chief working in uniform, even though the state says he's doing it illegally. We got a lot to talk about. Okay, so this is the worst mayor in America, Tiffany Henyard, and she is full of self-promotion. She makes sure that her face and likeness are paid to be put all over the village of Dolton by the taxpayers because she wants to promote herself. Here are a couple of news reports talking about the super mayor's self-promotion on taxpayer dollars.
Henyard's picture and name adorn virtually every public posting, both from Dolton, where as mayor she makes $46,000 a year, and in Thornton Township, where as the elected supervisor she collects more than $200,000 a year. But for all that money, Henyard's tenure at both has been chaotic. Tiffany Henyard certainly isn't shy about attracting attention. Here she is starting a Dolton Village board meeting dressed like the Wesley Snipes character in the movie New Jack City, later punctuating her political points with the help of her own DJ.
Every single resident. Pay me what you owe me. Thank you, DJ.
Now, Tiffany Henyard wanted more of these posters to go up to show how great she was and to, again, self-promote. The village board said no, but Tiffany Henyard got the people to actually put the posters up anyway. And then when they didn't get paid, it became a problem.
New at 4:30, more money troubles in South suburban Dolton. New welcome banners recently went up in that village.
But the company that created them says it has not been paid.
They're a new addition on a busy Sibley Boulevard. Bright new welcome banners with different messages and a picture of Mayor Tiffany Henyard, her self-titled Super Mayor, written underneath.
The banners cost about $19,000, but the vendor says they have yet to be paid for them and other items totaling more than $85,000.
Mosca Design emailed us a copy of the unpaid bill. It dates back to November 2023. Trustee Tammy Brown says the banners were never approved by the village board.
They don't make any sense at all. They're all of the mayor. It's okay to have a banner that says welcome to Dolton, but you don't need to have the mayor's face posted throughout Sibley Boulevard.
Trustee Jason House in a statement told us it's deeply unfortunate that the administration has chosen to squander funds on self-promotion while our fire department has gone without a contract for 5 years. This blatant disregard is a slap in the face to the hardworking individuals and the creditors burdened by the millions of dollars of debt incurred by the mayor's reckless spending. Our community deserves better.
So the village of Dolton said, we're not paying $20,000 for these self-promotion posters. So they ordered that the posters be taken down and returned to the company. And this order was signed by village administrator Keith Freeman. Now, Keith Freeman was Henyard's right-hand man, but then he got indicted by the feds and then flipped on Henyard, and Henyard wanted to fire him from that position. Then a court sided against Henyard and said that she didn't have the legal authority to fire Keith Freeman from that position. The court then ordered that Keith Freeman immediately be reinstated to his position as village administrator. And the court forbid the mayor from removing Keith Freeman unless the proper legal procedures were followed. So now that brings us to the body cam footage. The posters are coming down. Henyard sees them. She calls the police and tries to get the crew arrested for taking down the pictures. Remember, they're lawfully ordered by Keith Freeman to come down. And listen closely because Henyard is going to tell the officer that Keith Freeman doesn't work for the village anymore. She knows that's an absolute lie.
Did you guys call for someone? You did? Okay, they're sending another unit. What else did you guys want to do? Oh, no hablo inglés, hablo español. ¿Qué está pasando?
Pagaron por quitar las banderas.
Ok.
Y en la mañana con el que hablé, me dio el número de un policía que teníamos problemas que le habláramos. Le hablé y me dijeron que iban a mandar a alguien. Porque nos están diciendo que si seguimos quitando nos van a meter a la cárcel o nos van a dar algo.
¿Pero quién les dio a ustedes el permiso o la orden de que los quitaran? Something's going on with these guys?
Yeah,
they basically taking down my signs.
Yeah,
And I just asked them who told y'all to take them down. He called his boss for it.
Oh, okay.
I'm just...
So I told him to send,
just name.
Keith don't work for the village no more. He's not the VA, Michael Smith is. So I said, who gave y'all the order to take the sign down? How y'all getting paid?
Oh, okay.
They're our signs, well, you know, they're my signs. So why are you taking them down?
Este señor.
Okay, so, ella lo que me explica, ella es la mayor. Y me dice que él ya no tiene derecho a dar órdenes, él ya está despedido.
Es que la verdad a mí no me mandan a hacer el trabajo.
Sí.
La verdad yo no, ¿a qué puedo decirle?
So how many have they already taken down?
They took all of them. All of them.
So everything from White Castles all up to Sigo.
So I guess it's Keith that gave him the...
Yeah, I'll press charges on Keith, just so you know. You might as well write a report for me. Press charges on him. And they just in the middle of it, but if I got to press charges on them too, because they taking government property down. I didn't give that order.
I didn't even know you were involved in this. I just heard about signs. Yeah. And it wasn't even my call, but I stopped.
Yeah. No, they taking down signs. For what? Who paying them? Wait. Y'all gonna do
so ya le pagaron a usted?
No sé, yo mandé a mi patrón a hacer el trabajo.
¿Quién es su patrón?
Ya habló con ella.
He said his boss spoke to you already?
Yeah, he did. He put him on the phone.
Oh, he did?
He sent him the email that whoever gave him the order.
Oh, okay.
About the signs. Because I want all my signs. Because he got all my signs in his truck.
Pero me dicen el que me pagó, que no se las dé yo. O sea, yo no sé qué estoy haciendo ni qué puedo hacer. A mí me pagan nada más por hacer el trabajo.
Sí. Pero esos banners y signs son de ella. Okay. Entonces, a usted le pagaron por quitarlos, no por llevárselos. ¿Sí me entiende? So, de igual manera se los puede dar a ella, pero le van a mandar ahorita el correo electrónico.
Sí, van a hablarlo con él.
Okay. I'm like, well, you're getting paid to remove them, not to keep them. So, you know what I'm saying? So he could very well give them back. So, ¿se los puede dar para atrás?
¿Cómo? Que venga, que van a mandar a un señor.
Oh, they said they're going to send someone, and then they're going to... Okay.
Que venga él,
okay.
Porque yo no...
Porque he needs to remove de quitar.
Nada más.
Okay.
So,
okay, ahorita que venga, he's calling someone, I don't know who's coming. Maybe who's his rep. I don't know.
It don't matter. That is my property. I just want
es su propiedad de ella. Dice que nada más quiere sus signs. Did you say sí? Did you say sí?
Put them out.
Sí, los puedes, ya. Son ustedes, ya hizo su trabajo, los quitó, ¿verdad? Si quiere ya ahorita pare, pero porque va a haber más problemas. Estos van a querer demandar. Pero entrégueselos porque a usted le pagaron por quitarlos, no por quedárselos. So, de igual manera, sí, déjela. No se meta usted en medio porque estos se van a querer demandar para ya sé, hay un pedo.
Yo la verdad nomás.
Sí, hay problemas. So, nada más déselos, ella sabrá lo que hace con ellos. A usted le pagaron por, ahí dice remove, quitarlos, no por destruirlos.
No, a mí no me pagaron por destruirlos, nada más.
Okay.
Nada más por quitarlos, nada más.
Está bien, pero ahorita que manden el correo electrónico para que usted quede al margen.
Sí, porque yo, ahí me mandan para...
No, yo sé. Pero ¿sabe quién es ella, verdad? Es la mayor. La mayor, como está arriba de la mera cabecilla del gobierno de Dolton. I think so. But I'll write you, don't worry about it. I'll write your report.
Okay.
So what's his name? Is Keith Freeman? Yeah? Okay.
Michael's the new VA. Everybody playing this little tug of war. Who in charge? But no one's calling anybody.
I'm like, I just work here.
No, not you.
I don't even know.
I know.
I don't know what's going on. You have a chief, you have another.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do my thing and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so as long as you get your signs back, I'll write to the report and I know, that is.
Y'all got all those signs.
But I told him, I'm like, well, it says remove, not destroy, so give him that. That's her property, so give it back. And, sí ve las fotos, ¿verdad? Es ella, en la foto. Es ella. Sí, es ella, es la mayor. Es que ahorita andan con un montón de chismes y todo. So, yo le voy a hacer un reporte a ella solo para que trate de se ve y quiere demandar a él. Pues déjelo usted para que usted no quede. No, ya no, ya. Cuando lo manden a hacer algo a Dolton ya no venga. Porque...
Yeah, I got his number.
Okay.
I'm like, whenever they send you to do something for Dolton, don't do it.
They all they gonna do is tell them not to send it. If Keith paying him.
It don't matter. We entitled to it. We can lawyers involved. That's all.
start my like, Go ahead.
Two down there.
What?
Down there. I was trying to call you, but it's not there.
Yeah, hey, TX. ¿Ya se los dio todos? ¿Ya se los dio todos?
Yes.
He gave you all of them?
Now I'm stopping the video right here because you can see this man in the white shirt. He is the new police chief of Dolton, Henyard's hand-picked police chief. But there's a monster problem. The state has told him that he can't be in uniform, have a gun, or present himself as a law enforcement officer because he's not qualified to be a law enforcement officer.
More drama in Dolton tonight. The state agency that regulates local law enforcement in Illinois says Mayor Tiffany Henyard's hand-picked police chief is not right now legally qualified to run the department or even serve as an officer. In the letter, the deputy director of the Training and Standards Board tells Henyard that Burge is considered inactive because Dolton has not submitted the proper paperwork on his behalf, and because Burge has not completed a requalification shoot since 2021 when he was with the Dixmoor Police Department. For these reasons, he is currently not authorized to exercise law enforcement authority or to carry a firearm publicly, the letter says. We strongly encourage you to remove him from public service until an appointment is submitted and the board determines if he is eligible for reactivation and a training waiver.
But as you can see, here he is in uniform serving as Dolton's police chief.
What happened? Okay, I'm just going. Okay. You say I'm just gotta go?
He told him to just go. Keep going what?
Why are you here for the gun?
Oh, for him to leave. I thought keep going, yeah. So for him to leave.
All right.
Okay.
So what the email at?
El correo electrónico.
Who are you
We
talking?
sent you the email. I don't know.
We didn't yet. Can you send it real
Lo
quick?
pueden mandar el correo electrónico. La orden que a ustedes les llegó. A ustedes les dio su patrón.
Sí.
¿Correcto? A su patrón, ¿quién lo envió?
La verdad no sé decirle, pero ya hablaron con el patrón que le va a mandar el correo de ellos a ellos.
A ellos. He said he spoke to his boss and he said he was
Right,
going to send it to
he
you.
didn't send it yet.
No ha
Right.
mandado nada. He says he doesn't know, so just no se preocupe, nomás vos tengo que hacer el reporte, no se preocupe. So yeah.
No tengo que también que de eso.
You want to, let me take, yeah, you don't want to let me take, se lo doy para atrás. I'll give it back, but I want to take this for the report. They were still in their van, but I'm like, since this says remove banners, if that was the order, I'm like, well, it says remove, not destroy, so he gave it back to her.
Okay,
She has her signs.
Correct. Okay.
So it's like that. So I'm going to do a report for her.
Correct. Okay.
So he's leaving.
Have a good day.
Ándale, que les vaya bien, ¿ok? Ándale, se pueden ir, que les vaya bien. Ándale, bye-bye. Ajá, bye.
All right. All right, everybody's clear.
Yeah, all right. I'll do that report. All right, thank you. Yeah, sure, you're welcome.
Now, I don't know what's going to happen. It looks to me that the police chief is impersonating a police officer because he's not licensed by the state, unless they somehow got everything right before this occurred, which seems to be unlikely. But we will know soon because at the next Dolton board meeting, we know this is probably going to come up. So tell me what you think about the super mayor and her need to put her face on everything. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, do all the great YouTube stuff. This is your super mayor update, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.